Hello everyone. Hello. Hello guys. Can you hear me? Am I audible? Please let me know if I'm audible or not. Shreya Tiwari says yes. Hello Shreya. How are you? I hope you are doing good, right? Yes. Very good. Okay, done. I will just wait for another 5 to 6 minutes and then we are going to start. Today we will learn the concepts of JavaScript. Okay. My voice is crisp and clear, right? Please let me know in the chat box. Yes. Okay, done. Shreya, are you facing any difficulties or any doubts? And please let me know whether you are practicing at home or not. Or at home, of course, you are watching the stream from home only. But I want whether you guys are watching and practicing it. Yes, just I will be back in a minute. Hi, Bia. Hello, Kaushik. How are you, Kaushik? Yes. Oh, yes, guys. So you have to practice, right? Fine, Bia. Done. Hey, Drishti. How are you? I want you guys to practice at home, right? I'm good. I'm also fine, Drishti. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for asking. Yeah. And one more thing, guys, the weather is changing, so please drink water as much as possible. At least 10 glasses of water every day, right? So 10 glasses means that brings you around 2.5 liters. So yeah, drink 2.5 to 3 liters of water every day. That would be very beneficial for you. Drink different kind of juices, sugarcane juices, watermelon juices. Yes, so it is very good for you. We're going to start in another 5 minutes. We will have a recap today what we have learned, and then we are going to start. So in the last class we have learned like we have completed the HTML part, and then we have started working, like we have half done with the CSS part also. Today we are not going to work with CSS. Whatever elements and whatever models or whatever things are there present now, so you are going to style them now. Okay. Another thing is that if you are facing any difficulties with CSS, please let me know. I will help you out. And then today we are going to learn about JavaScript. And after that, we are going to code a little bit in JavaScript. Okay. JavaScript is different from Java, guys. Okay. Please remember that. JavaScript is different from Java. Java and JavaScript are not the same programming languages. Please remember that. Okay. Amrit says, okay. Yes. So there are 40 members watching the stream. Please like the stream, guys. Please like it. Share it with your friends. Yes. Yep. Share it with your friends. Let them know that Pranay Bhaiya is there. He's teaching. Yep. Tell your friends, tell your family members, tell your cousins. Ask them to join, ask them to learn, ask them to study. Yeah, one more thing, guys. Till everyone is joining, there are 40. There are around like 100 and Kaushik. On day 3 and day 4, there were no PPT. Codes were there. Codes will be shared with you by tomorrow, and images also will be shared with you by tomorrow. What images you have to put in your project. Yeah. So one thing that I want to talk with you is about managing studies and whether studies are important or not, right? So the thing here is that many of you guys think that study is the only criteria to get successful. No, it is not. Okay. And there the successful term here is very subjective. It can be different for me, it can be different for you, it can be different for the third person, right? Successful for me can be grabbing 35 to 40 LPA and living a good life. But for another person, uh, successful can be not working for someone, giving employment. That can be the term subjective. Yes, it can be successful for him or her, right? So, and again, the only thing that matters is whatever you are doing, you have to do that with complete passion and with complete dedication. Okay, so you should not be half-hearted. If you're half-hearted in anything, don't do it, right? If you are once into it, then don't leave it. Okay. Why now? Why I'm talking about this means many of you would have come to this stream just for the attendance and just for the certificate. I know. You will say, no, bhaiya, we are here to study to gain knowledge, right? Uh, but you also know the truth. I also know somewhere. No, I'm not talking about like 90%, 80%, but 40 to 50% of you guys are here for the certificate and for the attendance, right? That should not be the case. If you're not learning anything, if you're not liking or loving the way of understanding the way that I am teaching, please let me know. I will change it. Okay. The way I am talking, the way I am teaching, the way I am interacting. If you're not liking that, please let me know. So I will change it because I'm giving my 2 hours. Now, 2 hours are very important, right? They are very, very important. Um, no, I'm learning here too. Yes, Amrit. That is the intention, right? That you have to learn. One more thing, yeah, what I'm talking about, like 2 hours of anyone's time is very important. If someone is giving their 2 hours of time, and if you have doubt somewhere in your mind that I'm earning from this or in any sort of way, what Code Sprint is getting paid to do this, this is free, right? Yeah, so we are not doing this for any kind of money or anything. It's just complete passion and our dedication. Okay, because we have learned something and just we want to share it with you guys. Therefore, we are doing it. Don't think that we are doing it for money. Okay, we are not getting paid from anyone, right? Yes. Oh, and if we are giving you guys our time, so just try to learn. Okay, so yeah, we will start now. One thing that I want to share is JavaScript. It is like the most, okay, the most popular language. Okay, so let us see something. Let us see something. Let us type something in JavaScript. We are having this code of website, right? Okay, so I will be sharing my screen here. Please let me know if you can see the screen window. Yes, guys, can you see the notepad here? I think you guys can see the notepad. Please type yes or no. Are you able to see the notepad? Yes or no, guys? Yes, cool, cool. So let us see what is JavaScript, how we are typing in JavaScript. Okay, let us see something. So the first thing that goes here is um this is an important part. It's doc type. Oh, is doc type, and then it's HTML. It can be capital or small, no need to worry about it. Then head goes, and then here goes not in the head, we are typing in body, right? We will give one heading H2, JavaScript, JavaScript, right? We will close the H2. Now what we are trying to do here is I'm just showing you what is JavaScript, what is the basic of it, right? Like see, button type, I am creating a button here. So button type is button, and then on click. Now on click is a function here. No need to worry about bhaiya what is on click, please tell me. So document, it's a function. We will get to it. Get element, get E has to be this, E has to be capital. Yep. Get element by ID, by ID, right? And then we have to give here the name demo. We close it dot inner HTML equal to date function we are using. It will import the date of whatever, right? Then click me to display date. And now here this is a very famous function of JavaScript actually. This is why that is why. Now you guys know about hello world, right? Why hello world is so important in every language, whichever language we are learning first, we are typing hello world, right? So here we have in paragraph written, we have given the ID demo, because see here, get element by ID demo. So whatever ID of demo is present with us, it will take that, and if you are clicking on that, something is going to happen. This is manipulation basically. Now we are going to close the p tag, right? Then we are going to close the body and HTML. Control C, Control V, close it, close it. We are going to save it. We save it with the name of uh, JS. Okay, all files JS dot HTML. Save. Right. So here we have saved it. Now let us see the output here. I am sharing my screen, right? Mm, okay, so entire screen only I will share. If you see the JS here JavaScript, click me to display date and time. If I click on here, Wednesday, March 29, 2023, 20:44:56 GMT plus 5:30 Indian Standard Time. So this is how JavaScript works. Okay. Now here basically we have not done very rocket science thing. It's a very simple thing. So if you want to see the code here, you can see this is the code, right? So it's like here I have just given a button, then I have given one function that is on click function. We will learn about it. Then get element by ID, get element by class. These are there. We will learn about it. But this is what I want to talk about. This is JavaScript. Okay, basic JavaScript. Now here this is done. Uh, One more thing is there, guys. There are different things in JavaScript. Keywords are there, variable. Now you know about conditional statements. Guys, do you know about conditional statements? What are conditional statements? Please let me know in the chat box. There are certain things that are very basic in all the languages. Conditional statements, jump statements, right? All these things are very basic. So please let me know in the chat box. Do you know about it or not? Guys, I want yes or no, guys. I want yes or no. I'll be just back in a second. I have to put my phone on charging and I will drink some water. So Okay, sorry. No. What no, Shreya? What's the no about? Sorry, I forgot. What's the no about? I'm really sorry. Please type. Just type. I will be just back in a second. I will put my phone on charging. Okay. Yeah. And conditional statements. Yep. Okay. So Shreya doesn't know about conditional statement. We will just get to it. It's why I'm asking means please drink water, guys, regularly. Okay. So brother KS Ankit. Hello, Ankit, bro. How are you? I am fine. Thank you so much for asking. So yeah, we were talking about conditional statements, right? There are many kinds of statement present, but the most important are breaks. No, sorry, jump statements and conditional statements and loops. These three things are very important, and functions also. So these four things are very important in any programming language. Okay. Uh, Four things I will repeat. In whatever thing you are having doubt, please let me know, or just give me the order. So please tell us about this, about this. Then we will take on everything. See, the first thing is jump statements, then conditional statements, then functions, and then loops. Okay, so these four things are there: loops, functions, conditional statements, and jump statements. Sorry, I also forgot. So these four are there, and I can say 99% of you won't know all the conditional statements that are present. Don't Google. Don't Google. No need to Google. No need to search on your phone. No need to do Yahoo. Okay, yeah. Some guys are there. Okay, sir, we didn't Google, but we are searching on Yahoo. Bro, that's the same thing, right? Yeah. So please let me know how many of you know about it. How many of you don't know about it? Please let me know. Okay. Yeah. And I am having, yeah, it's one exam also I was having. So we will take up side by side that. Please let me know, guys, whatever you don't know and whatever you wanna know about. Okay, so we will take on that thing. Please, please. Yes, guys. If else else if. Okay, jump. So Meghna says jump statements. Meghna, I think you won't know about jump statements. Jump statements are a part of when we are learning Python. So jump statements are the things that we learn. Okay. So jump statement in Python are different from what we have in JavaScript. Okay. In Python, the jump statements are break and continue. Okay. So break and continue are there. In this also break and continue is there, but the syntax is a little bit different. Then go to is also there. Go to is also one of the jump statement. Okay. What happens is go to will bring you out of the loop or out of that block of code. Okay. Yep. Okay. If elif, decision control are if elif else, and repetition control are while and for. See, yes, while and for are loop also, and decision control are if else, if elif else. You guys, I that's what I told. Like none of you, okay, 99% of you may not know about all those statements. In control statements or decision making statements, one more statement is there that is very important. That is, please let me know whether you knew about it or not. That is ternary operator. Okay, ternary statements. Do you guys know about ternary? No idea. S. Satish says yes. Shreya says yes. Okay, so you knew about it. Then why didn't you say in the chat box there were no replies about? I wanted to hear this word, ternary. I wanted to hear this word from anyone. Okay. Okay, no problem. So what is ternary? What is ternary? Please type in the chat box. What is ternary? Yep. I want to know about ternary, guys. Says true or false, gives boolean output, test condition. Okay, works on three operands. Okay. Okay. Yes. So question mark and yeah, great. So you have the idea about ternary. I got it. Yeah. As there are replies, I got it. Yeah. So ternary basically works on three things. Yes. If if true, then it will give the output. If false, one output, and otherwise one output. Okay, one condition. So it works like that, right? Condition. If true, this is the output. If false, this is the output. It works like that. Okay. Uh, yes. Now, what we were talking about, that is ternary, and one more statement was there, right? Yep. And you gave me two loop statements, repetition control statements, that is while and for. One more is there. Who will tell me the name? One more statement is there. Please let me know in the chat box. Please let me know. One more loop statement is there. Please let me know. Yep. Do while for each. Okay, for each is for only. Do while is the correct answer. Siri says the correct answer. It's do while. So do while is the statement which is basically a form of while, but it is like updatation of while. Okay. Yeah. So these statements are there. Then there are functions also, as we talked about, right? Let us come back. Let us come back to JavaScript actually. Yep. Okay. So JavaScript is important here. As I have told you, you have seen what JavaScript is. Simple, simple thing is var is the keyword which you are using. First thing is var, variable, for creating a variable. Var is the keyword that we are using. Okay. So if you are creating a variable here, variable, let us take cars, variable cars equal to Shreya. Which one is your favorite car? Shreya, which is your favorite car? Sorry, the screen is a little bit shaky. No one. Share, don't you like cars? Okay, no problem. So we will go with BMW, or you guys say BMW, right? It's BMW. So we'll go with BMW, right? So if you see here, this is how we are creating a variable cars, and we have given the value of BMW to it. Okay, the pronunciation is BMW, but you guys call it BMW. No problem. Okay. So first thing is that you don't need to download JavaScript. Okay, you can use editors or anything like that. Okay. Yep. So we'll learn about JavaScript today. One method, one method in JavaScript is important, that is get element by ID. Okay. Get no. Okay, you don't like cars, share. No problem. Yeah. So where were we? We were talking about JavaScript, right? In JavaScript, the simple thing is what I was talking about, variables, right? Yeah. So variables are there. What to do with, yeah, sorry, methods. We are talking about methods. Now, get element by ID is one method. And how we are writing it? We are writing it. I will share this document with you. Windows Notepad. You guys can see the notepad, right? So basically, it's like document dot get, why it's going like this, element by ID. Okay, this is one method, that is document get element by ID. After this, we have to type here dot h inner dot inner HTML, and then we have to give the ID here, hashtag ID. Okay, whatever ID is present. So this is one way of writing one method, and then we have to give the value what you will get. Now here you may ask me one question. So this is single quote or double quote? So here JavaScript accepts a single quote as well as double quotes. So if you're writing it with single quotes, it's okay. And if you're typing it with double quotes, then also it's okay. Okay, guys, is that okay? Yeah. So this is one thing. Now, okay, okay. We will let us try typing, guys. Do you want to see one JavaScript code where we are changing the light? Can we do that? Can we do that? Please let me know. Please let me know, guys. Yes, guys. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Okay, there are yeses. Okay, so let us start. Okay. Sorry. Actually, like by side, I am working with one exam is going on, like a verbal reasoning exam for me. So, same thing we have to go with again. Here it's uh doc type HTML. I will be a little bit fast. No need to write with me. You just have to see. Okay. We will type here um, on paragraph tag Java script. We'll close the paragraph tag. Okay. So guys, here see here JavaScript can change attribute values of HTML. It is capable of that. Okay. So JavaScript will change the attribute of the image in HTML. Okay. Um, for that, but I have to have one image. I cannot create. Okay. This won't work. Actually, I have to have one image. Um, we will make it work, but don't worry, we will make it work. Okay. By the last like by towards the end of the class, please let me know and I will show it to you. Don't worry about it. Okay. JavaScript can also change the styles. Like it can also change or the CSS part. It is also capable of changing the CSS part. JavaScript can hide the HTML part. JavaScript can show the HTML part. Okay. So this is like manipulation. Now, what happens is if you are inbuilting, you know what inbuilt is? Inbuilt, right? Yeah. So if you are going with that, then it's like it's very simple, guys. So the thing here is that it's wait, sorry, I don't want to get distracted. Yeah, I'm doing two things actually together. Yeah. If we are putting the JavaScript part together with the HTML, we have to use one tag that is script tag. If you are not using that, then also we have to use the script tag, but we have to tell that the JavaScript part is in another file and we have to link that file to HTML. Is that okay? Is that okay? Please tell me yes or no. Please tell me yes or no. Yes, guys. Hello. Explain again. Repeat again. What we were talking about. Okay. Yeah. Script tag. The script tag. So listen to me here. Okay, guys. I sorry. So Chandravardhan is laughing. Really sorry. Actually, I am having one exam right now. It is a verbal exam. So just give me, you can give me 5 minutes, right? So it's okay, bro. No problem. Just so we can do that verbal exam together, or just yeah, we can do that together. Otherwise, just give me 5 minutes. I will just complete that, and then I will be there. Okay. So if I get stuck in any question, there are 20 questions left. It's a verbal exam, and I am having only 10 minutes left. Okay. Yep. What is D? Yep. Then we'll continue. Okay. So I was talking about the script tag here. The script tag can be put within the HTML part, whatever the HTML part is. Okay. So it can be put within that, or it you can create one more file. So yeah, the question is, the watchman asked the intruder who was he and why was he occupy occupying his chair. So is there any improvement? Who was he and why was he occupying his chair? Is in quotes. The watchman asked the intruder who he was and why he was occupying his chair. Who he was and why was he occupying his chair. It will be the watchman asked the intruder who he was and why was he occupying his chair. That is the correct answer. They walked beside each other in complete silence. Is there any error in this sentence? The sentence is they walked beside each other in complete silence. They walked beside each other in complete silence. They walked they walked besides each other in complete silence. Is there any error? So it's they walked beside each other, not besides each other. Okay. Yeah. When I went back to my hometown 3 years ago, I found that a lot of changes have taken place or had taken place. When I went back to my hometown 3 years ago, I found that a lot of changes had taken place or have taken place. Let's check your English today, guys. The answer is had taken place or have taken place. Had is the correct answer, Shreya. Shreya is good in English, right? Cool. He did not ring the bell. He did not ring the bell. What is the answer? He did not ring the bell. Okay. I remember. Okay, guys, I'm back here. Oh, really sorry for the disturbance. Yes. So we'll continue. Yeah. HTML part is there where you have written the HTML part. In that part only, where it is going to end, there only you can give one tag, script tag. Okay, and you can write the JavaScript then there only in HTML part only. Okay, okay. And one more thing we can do is you can write the JavaScript completely in another file. Okay, in another file. From that file, you can give in HTML. Yesterday we gave, right? Netflix clone.js. The source of the script is the name of the file. Did you understand now? You understood, guys? Guys, did you understand? Yes or no? No. Wait, I will share. I will share my screen. Yes, yep. Okay. So if you can see the screen now, just see here. Now this script is there, right? So here I can give this tag, script tag. Okay, I can give this script tag here, and this will be considered as the JavaScript portion. Okay. But if I'm not giving this script here, if I'm not giving this script here, or the script part is a little bit big, what I can do is I can give this script tag and I can give the source src equal to I can give the name of the file javascript.js is the file. Okay. Now one more file I will create with the name of javascript.js, and in that file I will write all the JavaScript. So there are two ways you can connect. Did you guys understood now? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, got it. Great. Done. So Amrit says yes, got it. Okay, done, done. And guys, don't forget to drink water. एक bottle में पानी ला देना please. Okay. Or should the closing HTML be closed after body tag? Yes, the HTML should be closed after the body tag. That is important, right? Uh, and it's in the order. Okay, it's in the order. In the order what you have opened the tag, in that order only, Raj. You have to. But I have done the other way. HTML. Oh, okay, sorry. Yep. Sorry. There is a procedure that we are following, right? So that is the procedure. Whichever tag is opened, has to be closed first, and then the other tag. Okay, don't worry about it. I am the teacher. I can do anything. Okay, no, just a joke. Okay, Okay, done. Now let's start. Cool. So now functions and event. Okay. So a JavaScript function is a block of JavaScript code that is executed when it is called for. Now, what is the meaning of this? Whenever there is an occur, then whenever there is, whenever the event occurs, yes, I will put it like this. Whenever the event occurs, then the function is called. Okay. So it's like whenever your father asks you to bring a glass of water, then only you are going to take the glass of water, right? It won't come to your mind basically that I will give my father a glass of water. Whenever he will ask for it, then only you are going to take it to your father. Okay. So that is basically what is there. Now, JavaScript. Now I have a question for you. I have a question. Can JavaScript be put inside the head tag? Can JavaScript be put inside the head tag? Or is it necessary to put it in the body tag or the script tag when we are defining the script tag? Is it necessary to put it inside? I will stop sharing my screen. Yep. Is it necessary to put the JavaScript tag inside the body tag and the script tag that we have created, or we can put it inside the head tag also? I want the answers. Please drink your water, guys. It's important. Yes. Please let me know the answers. If you don't know the answers, please let me know that also, that we don't know the answers. But if you guys know the answers, please let me know that also. Okay. Why there are no replies? Why there are no replies? No answer. Okay, no answer. So you don't know about it, right? Not even a single student. You can try. At least you can try. See, either it will be wrong or it will be correct. These are the two things, right? Just go for it. When the probability is 50-50%, why don't you go for it? But if there are no replies, then that what makes me sad, you know. If there are no replies, then that was makes me sad. Yes, please reply. Please reply. I have to like, and yeah, please like the stream. Okay. Yes, don't know. Okay, cool. So see, the thing here is that you can put JavaScript inside the head tag also. You can put it inside the body tag also. There is no objection on it or obstruction on it with it where you have to put. You can put it anywhere. Okay, you can put it in body also. You can put it in head tag also. Okay. External Java. That is what I was talking about. One is internal Java, one is external Java. Internal Java is when you are using a script tag. But if you are not using a script tag, to use the external Java, you have to give the script src, source attribute, and then you have to give the name. You have to give the name of your script, that this is the script, and then you can use it. Okay. Now, what is the use? Why we are like why do you want to, sir, why do you want to use external Java when we can use internal Java, internal JavaScript? Internal JavaScript means within the HTML. I will write the HTML, I will give one script tag, then I will write the JS part. Now, what is the advantage? See, the advantage is basically it separates the HTML and the code. It makes HTML and JavaScript easier to maintain, to read and maintain. Okay, it's different. Okay, and JavaScript cache memory is there, so cache memory can speed up the load of JavaScript pages. Okay, that is the thing. Is that done? Is it done? Is it done till now? Do we have any doubts till now? Save time. Exactly. It save time. Shreya is very intelligent. You have to say that. Yes. And Shreya is the only one that is replying, guys. And no one else is replying. I don't know why, but no one else is replying. Only Shreya is replying. And I thank you. I thanks Shreya for that. Thank you so much, Shreya, for that. Cool. Now I am listening. You guys are listening, but she's also typing, right? She is also replying. So see, the thing is, when I am the only one talking, that is different. But if you are replying, I know that okay, you are listening also, and you are active. You are active listeners. Cool, cool. No issues, no issues, Amrit. Yep. So the thing here is that how to display something, how to display something. Okay. So to display something, I will share my screen here. There are two to three things that we can use. Okay. Now, if you see here, I'm typing here. Please let me know if you are able to see it or not. I'm just going to type here. Okay. So when we are writing into the HTML element, I will just type here. You can make a note of it. Writing into HTML element, we are going to use inner HTML. Inner HTML. Inner is small, HTML is capital. When we are writing into the HTML output, not inside the HTML element. HTML writing array, writing into the HTML output, it's document dot write. Okay, document dot write. In that document we are writing. When we are writing into the alert box, you know what alert boxes are, right? Alert boxes are the prompt boxes that comes on the window. There are three types of alert. Oh, sorry, four types of those boxes. I will come to that. Please remind me in the next class. In the next class, remind me. We will come into that. Writing into alert boxes. It's a window dot alert. Okay. Writing into browser console, it's console dot log. Okay, remember these things. Please make a note of it. Please make a note of it. I am sharing my screen. Please make a note of it. Right, the screen is being shared already. Yes. And I will be just back in a minute. I have to check whether the dinner is prepared or it is being prepared or I have to order something. Okay. So I'll be back in just 1 to 2 minutes. Please write this part in your notebook or the notes that you are maintaining. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Okay. Thank you so much, Shreya, for replying. Thank you. Yes, guys, have you written that part? Have you written that part? Have you written that part? Okay. So let us see what are these things. What are inner HTML document dot write? What are these things? Okay. So let us see. Uh, let us see what are these things, right? H1, it's like web page or JavaScript, whatever you want, you can write it. It's not mandatory. Now P P equal to ID equal to demo. Here I am giving the ID demo. When I will be accessing this element, this ID is required. I will be accessing by ID. Get element by ID. Now I'm writing the script here only. I'm writing the script here only. Just see, I'm writing the script here only. This is internal JavaScript document dot get element by ID. Here it's whatever ID I have given, demo dot inner HTML equal to, you see, so 5 plus, I'm giving 5 plus 6, right? I'm giving this. Now please tell me what should be the output. What should be the output? What output are you guessing? That sir, this has to be the output. Okay, please let me know. Please let me know what has to be the output. What output do you think we will get? This is the part that I have written. I will just save it. I will stop the stream and I will like share my entire screen with you guys. Okay. No, I cannot share my entire screen every time. WhatsApp is open and my different things are open. You like, I may get some message, therefore I'm not opening it. If you are able to see it, right? So I have written this. Now let us see what is the output. I think in JS we were saving, right? No, we are not saving in JS. Mhm. Save as web page.html. Okay, all files. Save. So web page is created. If you see here, the answer is directly it's 11, right? What we have written here is we have given 5 plus 6 and the answer that we get is 11. So you get the idea? You get the idea? If you don't get the idea, get idea. Okay. Again, lame joke, but okay, no problem. So this is what inner HTML is. This is inner HTML. Okay. So it will access the HTML where you are using the get element by ID method. Here ID defines the HTML element. Whatever element that we are using here, ID is the import. ID plays the important role. Okay. Now if you want the output, same output, but we are not writing any ID or anything. We just want the output. We just want the output. We are going to write document dot write 5 plus 6. Okay, we are going to write it like this. The output is going to be same. Okay. Yeah. One more important thing is if you are using this document dot write and after an HTML document is loaded, it will delete all the previous existing HTML part if you have written and if you have not loaded that. Okay. Yes. Another thing is you can put it inside a button tag. Then also you can write, if you click on this button, the output directly comes. So it is mainly it is used for the testing methods. Okay, only the testing methods, right? Then there is window alert and then there is console.log also. And for printing, that is windows dot print. It's you can type windows dot print. Okay, it will give you the output. Done. That is for the printing. Now let us come to variables. Now there are four ways in which you can declare variables. The basic way is using the var keyword. It is a keyword. Let is another keyword. Const, that is constant or const, is another keyword, and using nothing also. So that is also one thing. So what are variables? You guys know there is the variables are used for storing the data. X, Y, Z are variables. Here the var keyword is used to declare variables. Okay. So variable X equal to 5. The X value is given like 5. The value 5 is given to X. Variable Y equal to 6. Here Y is given to 6. And if I write variable Z equal to X plus Y, that is very basic. The value of X plus Y will be saved in Z. That is 11. Right? So this is how variables are declared. Okay. Let keyword you can use, and there are undeclared variables also. You can directly give X equal to 5. Here X will store the value of 5. Again, y equal to 6. Y store the value of 6. Z equal to, not Z equal to X plus Y. So Z stores the value 11. Right? Yep. Till now, do we have any doubts? Do we have any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts with these things? Do we have any doubts? Now, if there is a doubt, when to use the variable keyword, when to use the let keyword, when to directly give it, it's upon you. Okay. The basic thing is in recent times, let keyword and the constant keyword are added to JavaScript actually. Okay. So it completely depends on you. There is nothing um different. One different thing is that if I'm writing this word constant price, constant X, constant Y, price came because the mainly we are using for price only the constant thing, because the price of particular thing is as declared is something. Okay, it cannot be changed afterwards. That was price. Now if you're dealing like constant X equal to 5, now this X is has been assigned with the value 5. It will not be changed afterwards also. Okay, so that is the thing. Variables are containers just for storing data, remember that. Okay. And if there are two variables, they have to start with different names. They have to start with different names. Remember that. Remember that. Is it done, guys? Guys, any doubts? Any doubts? If there are no doubts, please let me know. If there are yes doubts, please let me know. Guys, doubts, yes or no, guys? No doubts, no queries. Only two are answering. What about the others? I want at least 5 replies. At least 5 to 6 replies I need. Please let me know if you have any doubts or anything. If we don't have any doubts, then also please let me know. No doubt, it's clear. Cool. So should we proceed? Should we proceed to write some of the paths for today, for today's JavaScript? Can we proceed with that? Yep. Okay, so let us go to the JavaScript portion. Okay, so I have got your attendance link also. I will post that attendance link once the time is 10. Okay, cool. Okay, done. So I'm sharing my screen here. Window. Please let me know if you are able to see my screen. Please let me know if you are able to see my screen. Okay, yeah, wait a second. Okay. No, okay. I'm going to share now. Just a second, okay. Window. Yep. Guys, are you able to see my screen now? Are you able to see my screen now? Yes or no? Please let me know yes or no. Yep. Ouch. Yes. Yes. Okay. So let us start typing. Just a second. Let us start typing certain things. Okay. Just a second. So here goes the constant keyword. Okay. You have to use the constant keyword, values are not going to change. Then you can just copy it, paste it 5 times. The first is email value. Okay. Then here goes document. Here the thing is that if you remember, it's a method, right? It's a method. If you remember, it's a method. So it has to be document dot get element by ID. Okay. Document dot get element by ID, and then you have to give the ID name here, that is email. Okay, this is one thing. Then it was password value. Okay, password value, same. Document dot get element by ID. Then again, whatever ID you have declared, whatever ID you have declared. So here goes PSW password. Done. Yep. Next constant value. Guys, if you're having any doubts, please let me know. Then go submit button, thanks, and then button. Here goes submit button. Same thing. Document dot get element by ID. Then goes the submit button ID, whatever you have written in HTML. Okay. It's submit, and then that's it. Closing it. Then after that, the thanks by, it was by class name. Okay, remember that. So it will, if you're writing thanks, so it was by class name. document dot get element by class name. Class name was thanks. So this is how we are typing the variables. First, we are declaring the variables here. Then constant. Another constant was btn and date. So btn and constant date. So similarly, thing goes here. You can do that for your homework or whatever you feel like. Okay, cool. So yeah, another what else? Yeah. So I will tell you. So now event listener we haven't done function. We were talking about on click function, right? So see here, I will just type. This is not the code. This is not the code that goes in netflix.js, but I'm just writing it for your knowledge. There are event listeners in JavaScript. Okay. Tomorrow, guys, don't worry. We will complete the JavaScript code, and at the last day, your project would be completed. So the thing here is that what is the thing? The event listeners on click here is one event listener event. So what it does is on click, if you're giving anything, if you're giving it inside a button or if you're giving it inside anything, once you have clicked that button, once you have clicked that button, it will work. Okay. Okay, so it works like that on click. One more is there on mouse. See here, you can see, right? On mouse down, on mouse enter, on mouse leave, on mouse move, on mouse out, on mouse over, on mouse up. All these are event listeners. Event listener, they listen to the event. They listen to the event. If the event is occurring or there is an occurrence of the event, it will listen to it and it will work whatever you have declared. Is that okay? Yes or no? Like, don't listen it to a pandit katha, right? कि अब सामग्री डालिए, अब yes बोलिए, now say yes, now say no. It should not be like that. Okay, please let me know if you get my point. Okay, thank you, Shreya. Please let me know if you get my point here. Is my point clear? So there is this thing. Okay, then. So these are event listeners. Okay. Now, if you have to create a function, we just have to write this function. This keyword we have to write. I have to come again to check box, like chat box again to check here. Okay. So the function is here. Then goes the name of the function. Here it's check inputs. Check inputs. In check inputs again goes the parameter. We don't have any parameters, so we are going to remove the parameters or arguments. But here we are having something. We are having um the constant eval and the constant p value, email value and the password value. So we are going to write constant eval equal to eval dot trim. Eval dot value dot trim means the trim will remove the white spaces, white space backspaces. So it will be like eval dot email eval, right? It's email eval, but we are declaring one eval, so it will come, it has to be like email eval dot value dot trim, not area value max, sorry, it's value. Email dot value dot trim is a function, you have to close it. Then again constant psw password, and what we have declared psw value dot value dot trim. Trim is a function that removes the white spaces. What are white spaces? The blank spaces, right? Right? Any doubts till now? Any doubts or anything? Any doubts or anything? Please let me know. No, no, no. Great. So if there are no doubts, then we are good to go. Right? Yes. So after this part, okay, this email value part, we are going to do it tomorrow because I have to explain it in a complete manner and we are having 10 minutes. Okay? Yep. No problem. You can just write here constant date, that is new date. Constant date equal to new date. Yeah. Please take a screenshot of it. If you have written, that is well and good. If you have not written, please take a screenshot of this and let me know if you have taken the screenshot. Okay, this is the JavaScript part. Today we have learned about JavaScript variables, functions, methods, event listeners. All these things we have learned, right? Right. So is the time for the quote? Guys, do you want to listen to the quote? Yes. Every time there are quotes, right? Every my class, I give the students one quote that I have read somewhere or I have heard somewhere, right? So the thing, I think you guys know about APJ Abdul Kalam, right? Who he was. Of course, you guys know about APJ Abdul Kalam. He has written several books also. Revolution 2020 and Wings of Fire, right? He was a like a very humble genius, you can say. He was very humble and very genius. The Missile Man, right? So there was one great human. Yes, sure, great human. There was a quote that you cannot change your future. You are not able to change your future, but you can change your habits, and those habits are going to change your future. Okay, so I will repeat it once again. You are not going to, or you cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and eventually those habits are going to change your future. That is a quote for today. Work on it. These 5 minutes I'm taking. Yes. These 5 minutes, more 5 minutes, I'm taking doubts and everything. That after those 5 minutes, I will be giving you the attendance link, or you guys can just fill it up. After 7 days, we are going to get the certificates, right? Yep. Today was a class full of knowledge. We have touched and we have touched many topics. We have learned about different topics. It's a great thing. It's a great concept. And yesterday, one thing happened. I do not watch my streams, but yesterday, not yesterday, today. Okay, so there is a doubt. There is a doubt. Can you explain order in CSS? Uh, I did not get. Are you talking about the order property or like what kind of are you talking about? Yes, order property, right? See, order property is very simple. So if I'm having two things here, if I'm having two, no, sorry, this is not two. If I'm having four things here, they are red, green. What is green? It's green. Sorry, we'll just start again. Yes, Shreya, if we are having four things, in those four things, red, green, blue, and yellow, there are four colors with me. And this property actually goes in Flexbox. Now, Flex is a layout model What is the layout model? If I'm flexing these four items like red, green, blue, yellow. So this is not a dance step that I'm doing, that I'm explaining it to you. Red, green, blue, and yellow. Now, if I'm giving the order of red as 2, green as 3, blue as 1, and yellow as 4. So the order means red will come to the second place, green will come to the third place, blue will come to the first place, yellow will come to the fourth place. Okay, it's like a rap or a song, right? Red will come to the second place, blue will come to the first place, green will come to the third place, yellow will go to the fourth place. Okay, so this is how it works. That is the order property. Order is basically what actually order is, right? 1 2 3 4. You just whatever in layout model, whatever elements that you are flexing or whatever elements that you have put, that those elements, if you are giving a particular order, so those elements are set in that order. Okay, did I explain it well? Did I clear your doubt or any other doubt? Did I explain your I, I did not explain well. Not clear. Okay, so we will do this thing. Yes, okay. So I think I'm having four pens here, right? Four pens here. See, so this is one highlighter, black pen, and this is one whitener. Okay. So in Flexbox model, what happens in Flexbox model? If I'm putting these in my sync, I have put it like them, right? I have used Flexbox and I have. Oh, okay. Shreya, do you mean that it is clear? Amrit says it is clear. I think it means not clear. Not clear. I know Shreya. Amrit, I know Shreya. Shreya and I are friends from long back. Okay. Yeah. So see here. So if okay, okay, yes. Now listen to me. Everyone listen to me here. Okay. So these are four things here. Now I have aligned them like this. I have just put them in this way. I have put them in this way. Okay, 1 2 3 4. I have put this in the website. I have put them in this way. But I'm giving the order of this if of to this element as third. I'm giving the I'm giving the order as 3. So what will happen? This will not be at this position. Let it be whatever I have input, like I have put it in any way, but I have given, if I am giving this the order of 3, it will come to the third position. It will come to the third position. Okay, it will come to the third position. If this whitener gets the order of second, it will come to the second position. That is order. But whatever order you give to elements, they are set in that particular way. Is it clear now? Or should I explain it in a different way or a much, I think, better way would be nine Safi, like it won't be good because okay, it clear. Yes, thank you so much, Shreya. Now let us thank you. Don't say thank you. No need to say thank you. It is my duty. If someone is performing his or her duty, there is no need to say thank you. Okay? Yeah, it is my duty to explain it to you, right? So let us do the link for today's attendance. I am just copying it and I will send it in your chat box. The link is in their chat box, in your chat box, guys. Please let me know if you are able to access the forms or not. Yes or no. I think you will be able to access it. Okay. Please like the session. Please like the session. Share it with your friends again. Yep. Yes. Great. So you are able to access it. Done. The quote is with you. Today's quote. Please abide by that. What I can do? I can just come here, explain it to you, then I will leave. Yes. But it is your duty to abide by that. Now, one more thing that I say is listen to everyone, but do what you have to do. So you just are listening to me. You just have to listen to me and you have to do whatever you have to do. Okay. Yep. Cool. I am taking doubts for another 3 to 4 minutes, and then we are going to end the session because I have to order something now for me and my mom. Yes. And happy Navratri, guys. Tomorrow is Ram Navami. Enjoy Jai Shri Ram and enjoy to your fullest. Yes. Happy Chaitra Navratri. Yes. Happy Chaitra Navratri to all of you. Please let me know if we have any doubts or anything. Jai Shri Ram. Yes. If you have any doubts on anything, yes, doubts, no doubts, no doubts, yes, doubts. If yes, doubts, please let me know. If no doubts, then also please let me know. If no, then I will take your leave. Otherwise, I'm sitting here. If you're not going to reply, I will be sitting here for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. It depends on you. No doubts. Meghna says no doubts. I want at least 7, 8 messages. I want 8 messages of no doubts or no queries. Then only I will stand up from here. We have got 2, we have got 3. So you guys don't want me to stand up or what? We have got 4 messages now, no doubts. The question, the number was 8, right? Okay, the students are leaving already. Okay, Shreya wants me to get up, so she is messaging, Bhaiya, send codes of today class 2. Okay, bro. I will do that. Kaushik, do you have any doubt? No doubts. Let me know. Doubts or no doubts? I want 3 more messages. I want 3 more no doubts messages. Then only I will get up. I want 2 more. After Kaushik's message, I want 2 more messages. To what about what happened to Amrit? What happened to Amrit? What happened to Chandravardhan? What happened to Tabassum? Amrit says no doubt. I want 2 more messages, guys. Yes, doubt, no doubt. मेरे महबूब कयामत होगी I am not a good singer, I know. I know. Please don't tell me that, sir, your voice is very bad. I know. Okay. I know. It's not. I don't sing well, ma'am. My voice is very bad. It is the worst voice you can listen to. It's not good. It's not good at all. Yeah, now it is. Okay. Bro, your voice is also no, it's not that good. Okay, towards the in last session we will sing together. We all will sing together. Okay. So now, guys, I will take your leave. I have to order food because again it will take 30 to 40 minutes. Okay. Right. Okay, guys. So let me take your leave. Bye bye, guys. Let's end the session on high note. You can be just a little bit active, right? Okay. Chaliye. Bye. Bye, Drishti ji. Thank you so much for joining. Bye, Shreya. Bye, Shweta. Bye Amrit, Kaushik, Shivaram, and all of those who have messaged. Bye, sir. Thank you so much, Shreya. The fact that someone is not calling me Bhaiya. Great. Attendance link. Attendance link was there in your chat box already. I have shared it once again. Okay. If you have. Okay. So let me take your leave. Bye bye, guys. Namaste. Jai Shri Ram. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, guys. See you tomorrow. Boombastic session करेंगे tomorrow. Okay. We'll do a booming session. Boom session. Boom bam session. Okay, right. See you tomorrow. Jai Shri Ram. Chanji, ठीक है दृष्टि जी. Okay, done. Bye bye. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye.